Welcome back everyone, and buckle up because today we're taking a spin in a true legend reborn, the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder. This isn't just a car, it's a marvel of engineering that blends cutting-edge technology with mind-blowing performance. Design that speaks speed. Let's start by taking a walk around this beauty. The first thing that grabs you is the sleek, aerodynamic design. The sharp, pointed nose cuts through the air, while the curved, muscular body screams performance. The LED headlights and taillights are like nothing you've seen before, adding a futuristic touch. And those 20-inch wheels? Pure aggression. Powerhouse under the hood. Now, this stunning design is backed by some serious muscle. Buckle in because under the hood, the 918 packs a serious punch. There are rumors about two different engine options. One talks about a new 4.6-liter V8 engine that unleashes a whopping 608 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. That translates to launch speeds from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. Another whispers about a hybrid powertrain with a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with electric motors for a combined output exceeding 950 horsepower. With that kind of power, you'll be glued to your seat. Tech that takes control. But the 2025 918 Spyder isn't just about raw power. It's about precision and control. The engineers have included a new, more precise steering system that gives you a razor-sharp feel for the road. They've also lowered the car's center of gravity, making it hug corners like a dream. Speaking of dreams, the 918 Spyder boasts some incredible tech features. There's talk of an active aerodynamic system that adjusts automatically, optimizing downforce and reducing drag, no matter the speed or situation. Imagine the car constantly adapting to give you the best possible performance. Luxury meets innovation. Now let's peek inside. The interior of the 918 Spyder is a luxurious haven. Porsche has used only the finest materials, and the attention to detail is phenomenal. Heated and cooled seats? Check. Premium sound system to blast your favorite tunes? Absolutely. A large touchscreen display and a head-up display keep all the information you need right at your fingertips. But what truly sets the 918 Spyder apart is the way it blends luxury with a driver-focused experience. The digital instrument cluster and all the controls are designed to put you in command, making every drive an exhilarating experience. Unique selling points. So what makes the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder so special? Well, for one, it's a return of a legendary nameplate. But more than that, it's a glimpse into the future of supercars. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible, combining breathtaking performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Whether it's the rumored hybrid powertrain or the monstrous V8 option, the 918 Spyder is a game-changer. It's a car that carves up the racetrack with ferocity and glides down the highway with grace. The 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder is a dream car, a technological marvel, and a true engineering masterpiece. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, this might just be the car for you. But be warned, this kind of performance comes with a hefty price tag. Of course, this is all based on rumors and speculations. We'll have to wait for the official reveal to get all the concrete details. But one thing's for sure, the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder is a car that will set the automotive world on fire. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next adventure.